Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a story of hope, struggle, and the quest for change in Zimbabwe. I'm talking about Nelson Chamisa, a dynamic leader who's challenging the status quo in this country with a history of political tension. In 2018, Zimbabwe faced a pivotal moment. Emmerson Mnangagwa, representing the long-standing ZANU-PF party, narrowly secured his position against Chamisa, the youthful and charismatic leader of the movement for democratic change. But this victory was shrouded in controversy, with allegations of electoral misconduct. Fast forward to today, and Chamisa is not backing down. Despite stepping down from the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, he's spearheading a grassroots campaign across villages, mapping out his next political move. Imagine this, a leader who's still fervently supported by many, engaging directly with the people, setting the stage for a transformative era in Zimbabwean politics. Chamisa's focus isn't just on winning an election. He's advocating for sweeping reforms in governance, transparency, and economic revitalization. With Zimbabwe's economy in dire straits, Chamisa criticizes the government's recent attempts at quick fixes, like the introduction of a currency board. He's calling for a comprehensive overhaul that prioritizes the welfare of all Zimbabweans. The response? It's been incredible. From labor groups to women's organizations, from farmers to students, Chamisa is rallying a broad spectrum of society. His vision resonates with those who are tired of corruption and mismanagement and yearn for a stable and prosperous future. But the road is tough. Chamisa faces significant obstacles, from political intimidation to the remnants of his own fractured party. Yet, his resolve remains steadfast. This isn't just a political battle, it's a movement fueled by the collective hope of millions. So, what lies ahead for Nelson Chamisa and Zimbabwe? Can this vibrant leader usher in the change so many are desperate for? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the eyes of the world are watching, hopeful and eager for a new chapter in Zimbabwe's history. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. What's your take on Chamisa's approach? Can he truly make a difference? Let's discuss. Until next time, keep questioning and keep seeking the truth.